Hi friends, I'm Keshav Puri, your Flipkart Tech Pro, and today I'm going to talk about the Poco M2. It's the recent launch from Poco. Let's go ahead and explore this device to see if this smartphone is what you're looking for. Poco M2 is the most affordable 6GB RAM phone available in the market right now. 6GB of RAM is something that you expected at a much higher price point until recently, but Poco has taken us by surprise here. This phone multitasks with ease. You can effortlessly switch between your apps and run multiple applications at the same time without affecting the performance. The MediaTek G80 processor, which powers the Poco M2, offers an optimized performance for all your needs. It is also one of the best gaming processors at this price point, and this ensures that you can play even high performance games with ease on the Poco M2. While most smartphones at this price point offer a HD Plus display, Poco M2 flexes its muscles with a FHD Plus display. Using a FHD Plus display, the resolution and clarity of visuals is much better than traditional HD Plus displays. The P2I protection in Poco M2 ensures your phone is protected against accidental water splashes. The Corning Gorilla Glass 3 provides the necessary safeguard against accidental drops and scratches. The build quality on offer here is mighty impressive. So friends, if you're looking for a device with a very good performance and display at a budget price point, Poco M2 is what you're looking for. It is also one of the best gaming smartphones at this price point without doubt. Here's a tip for the purchase for your next phone. Do check out Flipkart's complete mobile protection program that takes care of any damage to your phone at minimal price. You could also check out the hassle-free exchange policy, which will give you maximum value for your current smartphone. That's it from me, Keshav Puri, your Flipkart Tech Pro. Hope I could help you in your search for a new smartphone.